Hi, this is Ava from Realty Candy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer IDX data from Lofty to GoHighLevel easily. Our powerful tool automates the process, seamlessly importing tasks, notes, contacts, and appointments. So let's get into the video and I'll show you how. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your account and click Login. If you don't have an account, that's okay. Just go back to the home page and select Get Started. And there you can register all your credentials and create an account on our platform. Once you've got your account, you'll make a payment through Stripe. It is super secure and only $199 a month for unlimited migrations. So once the payment is complete, we can connect your accounts. First, you're going to want to log in to your GHL account because this is where your Lofty data will be going. Next, you're going to want to grab your Lofty API code and paste it in here because this is how we access your Lofty data. Now here is where you choose which users from your Lofty account you want to transfer data from. You can select all of them or just specific ones, but once you've clicked on the ones that you want, you can hit send confirmation and you'll see a progress bar pop up on your screen. So once that's done loading, you'll see a big success screen show up, and this page shows you all the contacts that were successfully imported, and you can review everything right here. Now let's say you have a large number of contacts in Lofty. In that case, you'll see a different type of screen appear after you hit send confirmation. Here, you'll just need to put in your email, and then a new screen will appear confirming that the migration is being processed in the background. This screen will also tell you an estimated completion time and let you know that an email will be sent to your inbox as soon as the migration is completed. Once the migration is completed, you'll get an email confirmation like this. From here, you can see the log and see all the contacts that were created, updated, and migrated. And that's it. Your data is now in HighLevel. You can jump into your GHL account and see all your Lofty contacts, tasks, notes, and appointments all neatly organized. Transferring your data from Lofty to GHL does not have to be confusing. With our tool, it is super quick, easy, and secure. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.